candy is so yummy. And Daddy's going to have to go home and eat all of your candy. Okay, class?
Okay.
Can you turn this up?
I'm trying to listen to you, teacher.
And where does that dog, what does say bark? What does it say? What?
I know.
Who?
A cat?
No.
A dog?
Yeah, correct.
Yay!
What says meow?
A pig.
No. They say
A frog?
no. Frog say ribbit.
An elephant.
No, elephant say
With a trunk. I don't know, what sound are we oh, a cow.
no. Cow says moo.
A cat.
Yeah, correct.
A cat, yeah.
And now what says ribbit?
A froggy.
Good job. Here's what says moo.
A chicken.
Starts with a cow.
What letter does that start with?
Cow.
What letter does that start with, you think?
Cow. C. C-L-C-C.
C? Cow. Cow.
Now what says bark bark?
A doggy.
No. Dog says what?
Bark bark?
A bark.
I don't know what says bark bark.
I'm the teacher.
I know, I'm asking you.